Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to see how many 3x3s it takes for me to solve the 11x11. Okay, so I have all these 3x3s and then one 11x11, and some of these are not even 3x3s. That's because there's no way I have enough 3x3s to do this. So I also have I also have a set of 4x4s and 5x5s, one 6x6, and 7x7s, and an 8x8 and a 9x9. So I'm also going to be solving these, but just like 3x3s. So not like scramble like this, but more like, once I get that back, more like this for the 9x9, like a 3x3. Because the 9x9 has 3 layers, so I can turn it just like a 3x3. And the 8x8 and lower, I can probably just do the outer layers just like this. That works just fine. So I'm going to scramble all of these up and start solving them. There's a bit of a thunderstorm going on. Okay. 1:09. Let's see if I can scramble all these in 1 minute and 9 seconds. Okay. We're scrambling all these. That took a lot longer than I thought, but most of those cubes don't even tone very good, so I think I have kind of a good chance of the 11x11 winning over 17 cubes. But I'm pretty sure that 17 3x3s is going to win over one 11x11. Because if I'm solving them like this, I have probably a 30-second average of solving a 3x3. I really have more of a 15-second average, but it depends on how good they tone and like having to put the next cube down, picking up the cube again in inspection. So about 30 seconds of time, which the 11x11 takes about 30 minutes. So this will take probably about 30 to 40 minutes, and all these will take probably about 15 to 20 minutes. So I still don't know yet until I find out. So let's see. Alright, I am done with all of these cubes, and it looks like I still have to wait another 10 minutes. Well, anyway, I'm gonna let the 11 by 11 video take over now, and I'm just going to leave. And finished with the 11 by 11 in 35 minutes and 9.48 seconds. So yeah, the 11 by 11 definitely took a lot longer than the 17 3x3s, but some of those 3x3s were kind of hard to turn, especially like the Chi and Rubik's were like, and the mirror cube was kind of hard to turn too. So yeah, but anyway, thanks for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.